pivot to the left. Gets it. You can stay right there and shut it down. Open up the claws all the way and then set it down, because I'm going to cut that off and then that's going to go in the woods. Just finished the job. Thought I'd do a quick walkthrough for people that are viewing this to be a potential customer. This is what it looks like after the job. There was no established grass here. It was mostly moss and dirt, but as you see, there's no like deep tracks or divots. Right here is where we took out the massive, or pretty good size oak that was co-dominant. And this is where we did mostly all the work. Took out the pine that was on the left. That whole thing chipped up, the whole pine. Everything that's here is all oak. This stump right here, believe it or not, is 3 foot from the bottom of the camera to the top, and then left to right it's like 4.5 feet. I have a picture of that with my 661 on it. But customer said leave the wood, so he's getting a ton of wood, or someone that he knows is getting a ton of wood. See this spot right here, there was no like established grass or anything, but even with all the moving, I don't know how it shows up on camera, but it's nice and flat. Really could just use grass seed now that it has some sun. Go around, everything's cleaned up. Pretty decent pile of wood though. I mean, there's some really nice logs in there. Honestly, saw logs. There's some milling logs there. It's kind of a shame, but at least they're going to use this firewood. But the neighbor's yard is all nice and clean. Blew their driveway as usual. Massive stump, and we didn't smash this cap and whatever was below it. Thank God. I didn't want to smell whatever was in there. And we saved out every single small tree. Didn't touch any of them. That's it. We're headed out to the next one.